Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you turn off privacy settings on Roblox. In order to turn off privacy settings on Roblox, you need to follow the steps. First of all, open your Roblox application and lock it. Next, you want to click on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. Go to settings. As you go to settings, you will then be directed to this page where you could see settings, account details, all that. So underneath you could go to privacy and content maturity, and in order to go ahead and turn off privacy settings in Roblox, you could go ahead and make sure to change the settings for all of these. First of all, you could go with content maturity, and you could also select to restricted or maybe minimal, after which you want to go back to the same page and come to communication, select experience chat and make sure to select everyone. So similarly, do the same thing with rest of the other options, and this way you'll be able to turn off privacy settings on Roblox. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.